Let's do a little work today on how you can protect your Word document. Okay, this is a Word document of contents inside it already. So click on the review tab. As you can see, review tab. Okay, when you click on there, the next thing is to click on protect and select restrict editing. Then scroll down and click the button yes, start enforcing protection. Alright, so you can see you are required to enter a new password for this protection. Okay, please don't forget the password. Use the password you know you can easily remember. Okay, so that if someone wants to edit this document, you can give the password to he or she if you want to do so. Otherwise, you keep it to yourself. So that's the reason for the document protection. Okay, and I can use any password of my choice. Okay, I use 4-digit numbers. Okay, then hit the OK, see it, the OK button. All right, okay, with this you are done protecting this document.